What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. So today, after months of not uploading a video, we have another install. And today we're installing a vanish plates. And you may be asking, what are vanish plates? So vanish plates are basically, it's basically tint for your license plates. So what I'm gonna be using them is for when I have photo shoots that I don't want my car to show my plates or car shows. I'm gonna turn them on and I'll black them out so you won't be able to see. So yeah, that's today's install. So let's get to it. So this is what comes in the box. We have the power line, the LED exit, the vanish plate exit, the vanish plate that does the magic, the receiver, the inverter, and the LED indicator. And this is the mount to mount the vanish plate. So right now we're not connect the power to the terminal. So the red goes to the positive and the black goes to the negative. So I already losing the terminals. Now let's connect it. So now we connect the power to the receiver. And that's for power. Works. To the final product, guys. And just with the push of a button. On, off. So I just wired it through here. I don't know if you can see through the light, and then some hole right over here. And yeah, just hided the wires and it's good to go. And also it comes with the indicator once you're inside the car. Have to still hide it nicely. Just it's right there. So when I turn it on, you can see it off. It's pretty cool to see if you have it on or off. That was today's install, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next install.